Ngesikhathi ethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kweKhomishana uVuyisile Ndzeku ongumqondisi weJM Aviation kuvele ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe wayesebenza kuyo le nkampani. Ubesebuzwa ke ukuthi ubani uMrs Hendricks nokuthi wayebambe liphi iqhaza eNkampanini.
Well, Mr. as I said again, he was the CEO of the company. He was the one who was employing people. And I made it clear to him that I want my family to be part of this. I want my family to learn and then to work because they cannot sit at home without getting paid.
Ubuzwa ukuthi bashada nini nonkosikazi wakhe.
I don't remember.
You don't remember when you were married?
Yes.
Ebuzwa ngesabelo anaso kule nkampani uthe akasakhumbuli ukuthi singakanani.
The shares, it belongs to the books. So if there's no books, there's no shares. So why I'm saying this is because, Mr. S is the one who's in charge. Anything's got to do with the books of the day. He's the man. So I don't remember what shares did I have.
Kubukeka sengathi izinto eziningi uNdzeku akasazikhumbuli njengoba ethi akakhumbuli ebamba umhlangano ophakathi kweJM Aviation kanye neSwissport. Utshele iKhomishana ukuthi uhola u35,000 ngenyanga kuJM Aviation ebese imbuza ke ukuthi ayikho yini enye imali ayitholayo kuyo le nkampani ngaphandle komholo wakhe. Namadodakazi abo ayesebenza khona eJM Aviation.